Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WORK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive bounce today. And when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, however, by the closing bell, the price was able to work its way back up to that area of the chart. You got to give credit where credit's due. Very, very impressive bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 2150. Why is 2150 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 2150. If the price were to go down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas on the other side of things, let's say that the price comes down here, but in this situation behaves like this and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 2150. What about areas of resistance? Key area of resistance headed into Friday, going to be this area right up here around $22.75, give or take a little bit. And I say that because it's not an exact point right here. You have quite a bit of congestion right below that red line. And then today you have a couple of instances where the price was actually right up above it. So like I said, give or take, but right up around 22.75, 22.80, going to be that first key battleground that needs to be broken. If the price can push up through that level, then the next key overarching level of resistance to watch at that point would be up there at, let's see, what is that? We'll call it $23.10. But all in all, very, very impressive bounce today. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.